Welcome to our YouTube video, where we'll guide you through the process of preventing TikTok from suggesting your account to your Facebook friends. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over your account's privacy settings. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little person. Tap on it to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find various options. Look for the Settings and Privacy option and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your TikTok account. Step 5. Now, within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Suggest Account to Others option. Tap on it to open the Suggested Account settings. Step 7. Within the Suggested Account settings, you'll see an option labeled Facebook Friends. Disable this option to prevent TikTok from suggesting your account to your Facebook friends. Congratulations! You've successfully prevented TikTok from suggesting your account to your Facebook friends.